This week's 13 Moons of Self-Devotion are going to be super special because I am doing them from Puerto Rico, my favorite place in the whole world. Tonight is my first night on the island, and I want to invite you to experiment with your breath. I know that a lot of times when we do breath work, we are following somebody who is instructing us to do a very specific kind of breath work. And so I want you to, instead of like doing something specific, what I want you to do, I'm going to offer a few different options for you, and you can try them out and see what feels good to your system. And then I invite you to do them throughout the day, whenever you see this, in the morning or today, tomorrow. So we're going to start by just closing our eyes and not changing our breath at all, and just noticing what our breath feels like in this moment. So close your eyes and just take a moment. Notice if you're breathing in your chest, in your abdomen, if you're breathing shallowly, deeply, slowly, quickly. Now what I want you to do is to slowly take a really nice deep inhale and a long, slow exhale. We're going to do them for a count of 4. Inhaling, 2, 3, 4. Exhaling, 2, 3, 4. Inhaling, 2, 3, 4. Exhaling, 2, 3, 4. Inhaling, 2, 3, 4. Exhaling, 2, 3, 4. Now just kind of take a moment and check in with your body and see how it feels. Next, we're going to do alternate nostril breathing. So for this, you can use your thumb on, we're going to use our thumb to close one side, and our ring finger or our pinky, or any finger, it doesn't matter, to close the other side. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our thumb and we're going to close the right side of the nostril, and we're going to inhale through the left nostril. Then we're going to close both nostrils, hold for one moment, and then exhale through the right nostril. And then inhale through the right nostril. Hold, and then exhale through the left nostril. Inhale through the left. Hold. Exhale through the right. Inhale through the right. Hold. Exhale through the left. And now I just want you to continue doing the alternate nostril breathing on your own for a moment. Complete the cycle that you're on. And then drop your hand, close your eyes, and notice how your body feels. Lastly, we're going to do Kalapati, also known as breath of fire or Kalapati, or skull shining, sorry. Lots of different names for the same thing. And so what this one is, it's a quick breath, and it's a really active exhale. So you're going to inhale, and then you're going to exhale by forcing your belly button in. And you can put your hand on your belly button so you can kind of feel that, and then you can do it as quickly or as slowly as you'd like. continue for just a few more moments. Take a nice breath in. Exhale. And again, notice how you feel. So now these are kind of 4 techniques, breathing techniques that you can use at any time, depending on what you need and what your body is craving. So kind of like going through and thinking about like, okay, my body felt like this after I did that. So for example, like just checking in with your breath, in and of itself is a really amazing healing breath technique. And then doing the box breath, or like the even inhaling for 4, exhaling for 4. That's actually the box breath, is something different. It's a really great way to soothe the nervous system and relax the nervous system and really become present and like slow everything down a little bit. And then, of course, the alternate nostril breathing is really good for balancing both sides of the body. And just like if you're feeling kind of out of whack, it really helps to balance your entire system. And then the Kapalabhati, skull shutting breath, is obviously really good for getting you moving and getting the energy moving in your system if you're feeling stuck. So there are a few different ways that you can use breath, and I invite you to experiment and explore. And my 12-year-old kid is here looking at me like I'm a big weirdo.